Hello and welcome to the thawing garden. Let's see what survived the winter. So as you can see, the snow is started to melt. It is 5 degrees Celsius plus, so it's going to melt the next week, and I should apply another layer of mulch on the lilies, straw, and there have been some casualties in the pot plants. So this is an evergreen Disporum or Disporopsis, I don't remember, but it didn't survive the foliage, the frost. We'll see in spring if the plant will sprout from the rhizomes, but I'm not sure it will. You can see that plants which are usually quite hardy, like the strawberries, are looking okay, and there are some plants which seems to be alright. For example, here is the helenium, which was planted last spring. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 new sprouts, so it can be divided to 6 plants. And I have the hellebores here. Helleborus, I think it is Eric Smithy scrat ice, and it's already flowering under the snow and ice. And I could remove the old foliage, but I don't think I will, because I'm not that motivated at the moment. The pulmonarias look okay, iris, and for the moment the Acorus gramineus still looks okay, and of course the stadiums survived quite nicely, but because we have a lot of precipitation and it's melting, we have a lot of water pooling, and I'm not going to be able to do anything about this year because I just don't have the time. You can see that sometimes the prots are still frozen below, so the water pools on the upper side, and the Kaluna and the Erica looks okay. The other Acorus seems to be nice. And funny that this Disporum has survived the frost, green. Of course it's in a much bigger pot. And it appears that, well, it's quite hard to say right now, but if I could make cuttings from the lavender, I could make it survive. So it's quite nice. We'll see if the roots survived later when it sprouts. The yuccas are still covered, so they should be okay for the most part. And the sedums are just, they're like weeds here. So thank you for attention and see you next time. Bye bye.